Hey everyone, this is Jenna at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, and today's Jeep of the Week is literally a bomb piece. This is a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, 72,000 miles on it, and it is ridiculous. We're gonna walk through all of the thoughtfully absurd upgrades on this Jeep. All right, the crown jewel of this Jeep is truly the 40-inch Yokohama MTT tires with the 20-inch wheel wrapped around. It is truly beautiful. You don't see this a lot. Also, what you don't see on a 40-inch tire is this 7-inch lift. It is truly makes this vehicle built for war. In addition, you can kind of come in here and see the quality spring and the added Fox shocks right there. And underneath the Jeep, front and rear dual long arm kit. Truly, again, crown piece right here is the 40-inch Yokohama tire, 20-inch wheel, and the 7 inches of lift. All right, the previous owner of this bad boy knew that with 40-inch tires, he's gonna have to invest a little bit of upgrades into the steering, and he did that. He was a family man and wanted this Jeep to take him to and from work every day, as well as to and from the trails on the weekends. And so he added hydraulic steering and really beefed up the steering components overall, making this a really comfortable drive to and from work, driving 70 miles per hour on the highway. And while we're at it, under here you can see the front axle. He added a truss and a sleeve, future bomb-proofing this vehicle for the next Jeep owner. So again, this guy was a family man. However, this was his daily commute Jeep. So this on the inside, I wanted to point out a few features. It has that 6.5 screen navigation. It has leather seats, even though there are the seat covers right now on the Jeep. It has heated seats, as well as, because he was focused on safety, he added that full roll bar that you can see. So you have 72,000 miles on this Jeep, and despite it being built for bombs, it's pretty luxurious on the inside. Because this was a daily driver, the previous owner went ahead and made the wise investment to add a spare, which again, you don't usually see a 40-inch spare tire with a 20-inch wheel, and something has to carry that. So he went ahead and upgraded the rear steel bumper and tire carrier. Again, you don't see that, it's very unique. Because he needed more power, he went ahead and lastly added to the gearing and upgraded to 5/13, something you don't see often. Again, I'm Jenna from Cross Jeep, here bringing you this week's Jeep of the Week.